the past few days, ang dami pong nagkakasakit ngayon. Baka yung katabi nyo, ganito na. Well, kasi po ngayon, merong wave ng flu. So far po, for the past 1 to 2 weeks, marami po akong nakikitang pasyente. And I have confirmed, most of them, if I do an antigen test, positive po sila sa influenza A. So what to do when you have these kinds of symptoms? Number 1, syempre, check nyo ano yung mga symptoms na magsasabi na ikaw ay may flu. So, sa atin, masama ang pakiramdam, masakit ang ulo, and then sa gabi, nagfi-fever na, sa morning, tulo na ang sipon. Kasabay nito, scratchy yung throat, nauubo, dry, medyo hacking, dry cough. And then sa ibang pasyente, may sore throat. Unfortunately, sa mga babies, minsan nagsusuka, nagtatae, masakit ang tiyan. So all of this can point to one infection, which is influenza. So anong dapat gawin natin if we feel this? Number 1, if you are an adult, isolate ourselves. Mga bata, wear mask. Also for adults, pwede rin. If you have other family members na wala pang symptoms, wear mask even sa bahay. And then kung ang bata ay pumapasok, wag na pong papasukin kasi po nakakahawa po ito, no? So the symptoms or the infectious state is 1 day before the symptoms goes out or mag-manifest and up to 7 days. So, ganun po katagal ang isolation. Ang basic treatment is really hydration, antipyretics, yung mga paracetamol to reduce fever and headaches, multivitamins kasi hindi masyadong kumakain, walang panlasa, and then monitoring for any signs of symptoms of complication kasi the very young and the very old are prone to complications, which is what? Ear infections, sinusitis, pneumonia, ang isang worst problems natin, and even seizure, especially sa mga babies, very young na mataas ang fever kasi the fever can really spike up to 39. So far yung mga nakikita ko. Always do frequent hand washing, hydrate yourself, maraming fluids, and check up with your doctor. Kasi kung meron po kayo, positive kayo, first 1 to 2 days, importante pong mabigyan ng antiviral agents at observe for any complications. Good luck mga mommies!